So DevSecOps infrastructure as product. From the left, right, you can see that okay, you need to identify, you need to address what is the organization infrastructure needs. Then you make a change plan. You develop a team, so you have a plan to make a change, right? So you have to create this team to work on this plan. And then you need to select the appropriate tools. You need to decide what tools to use for the DevSecOps. And you will then say if you have already have the test, some test automation, how can we enhance it? And also to bring in the QA, quality assurance personnel, and align them to the test automations. You define clear short-term goal for the team, and you also can look into developing containerized applications. So now the application is now in the container. Then with this thing, right, you want to further automate. So how do we automate the infrastructure using the CI/CD tools? How to establish workflows and promote collaborations? As I mentioned earlier, different teams may develop different applications, for example. However, some of the components are common among all these different applications. So is there a way to help both teams to come together and say, okay, we will have these common components. How can we enhance that common component so that it benefits the both teams? You can then track and evaluate the performance matrix and to look into your DevOps strategy efficiency and ask yourself if this is if it's still effective, is it still efficient? If not, what else can we do? If it is, how can we enhance better? And likewise, for the last part, it will be looking for tech or implementation partners to do all this together. Yeah, probably because there may be a lot of tools available in the market and stuff like that, or there may be a lot of different type of process available in the market. So if you have a partner that can guide on how we can implement this in a suitable implementation in the company, then that will help the company to save time and save cost. Okay, for the bullet point, right, we are talking about the use case analysis, the system design, the MVP, the minimum viable product, the product iteration, and then the success matrix. So you can look at it like implementing DevSecOps, like as though you are implementing a product. So using the same logic, you can bring it to how you implement DevSecOps in the company.